Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, I will show you how to create or how to generate the truth table. Truth table generation is a very important part before necessary condition analysis and sufficient condition analysis. So what is truth table? So truth table, actually it will represent some row. So each row equal to one unique combination of causal condition. If there are k conditions or n conditions, right, there are 2 to the power k possible configuration in fsQCA. So in fsQCA, configurations are continuous basically, but we still group them based on the calibrated fuzzy score. So how we can calculate the consistency? So here you will find a formula. Consistency is equal to sum of mean xi yi divided by sum of xi. So what does it mean? Xi is equal to membership score in the causal combination and yi is equal to membership score in the outcome. So what is the high consistency? Basically, high consistency, it means the consistency value will greater than or equal 80%. It is strong evidence that the configuration produce the strong outcome. But in many theory, you will find greater than or equal 0.75 is fine. In some cases, it depends on context, it depends on sample size. In many cases, you will find 85%, I mean 0.85 or 0.90, right? So there are another options actually, frequency threshold. So frequency threshold is basically you can put it commonly set to 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So usually we put it 3 when the sample size is greater than 150. Actually, it depends on the sample size. So there are two things we need to keep in mind. Number one, consistency threshold, and number two, consistency, right? So let's do practice. So in the last video, uh, we learn how to calibrate the data. So this is the new output variable or new values of after calibrating the data. So we will deal with these variables. So how we can create the truth table? Just go to the analysis and truth table algorithm. Just click here. So we will not consider the previous variables, we will consider the computed variables. So first we need to define the outcome variables. So here customer satisfaction is outcome variable, just set the customer satisfaction. And then rest of the variables you will add in the causal condition, attitude, CSR, CL, like, and trust, I mean TR, right? Just click OK. Here you will find the truth table, right? Here. Okay. So in the truth table, go to the edit and here you will find delete and code. Click here. So as our sample size is greater than 150, actually we will set this value into 3 based on the theory, right? And set customer satisfaction to 1 for row with consistency is greater than 0.8. In our case, actually, I would like to make it 0.85. Okay, there is no threshold value actually. As our sample size is too high, just I'm making it 0.85, right? So theoretically, it starts from 0.75. So 0.85, then just click OK. Here you can see each row actually representing the different combination of variables, right? So these are the truth table. So it's very simple. It will take only 1 minute maybe or less than 1 minute, right? So in the next video, we will learn how to create how to do sufficient condition analysis, right? So after the next video, okay, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.